In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop Outlook from marking emails as read. This is a really useful setting if you prefer to manually control which emails are marked as read, especially if you're managing important messages or want to make sure you don't miss anything in your inbox. This works for Outlook.com and helps you stay organized and in control of your email workflow. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Outlook.com. Sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see your inbox with all your emails. Now, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on the settings icon. It looks like a gear symbol. This will open a quick settings panel. From this panel, click on View All Outlook Settings at the bottom. This will take you to the full settings menu where you can customize how Outlook works. In the settings menu, click on Mail on the left sidebar. This section contains all the email-related settings for your Outlook account. Next, click on Message Handling. This is where you can control how Outlook processes and displays your incoming messages. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Mark as Read. This section controls when and how Outlook automatically marks your emails as read. In this section, you'll see a few options. Select the option that says Don't automatically mark items as read. This tells Outlook to only mark emails as a read when you manually do so, giving you full control over your inbox. Once you've selected that option, scroll down to the bottom of the settings page and click Save. Outlook will now apply your changes immediately. From now on, your emails will stay marked as unread until you choose to mark them as read yourself. And that's it. You've successfully stopped Outlook from automatically marking emails as read. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.